Before the video gets rolling, I just wanted to mention that only 16% of you guys are actually subscribed to the channel already. So if you're new, I'd really appreciate if you guys considered subscribing to the channel. It's free, it takes a second, and it helps me out tremendously. Enjoy the video.
You don't even have to play it off like, oh, you can go first, and I'll just be like, dude, you can get the fucked up cart, that's fine. So just tell me you want to, like, give up the fucked up cart. I like it. You don't have to, like, play it off. You know I pair with it well. Never mind. Whoa, what the fuck? God damn! Oh, shit. It's an ice skating rink. Woo! And I don't want to turn, dude. Oh, I got the fucked up cart, I forgot. Speakers don't work. Ice cold tires, dude. Icy. Icy. Get fucked. He never looked, god damn it. Tokyo Drift, bro. I gotta do that again, that was funny. Oh shit. He doesn't even know. He doesn't even realize. That's so funny. This whole time. I totally accidentally sent him into the wall. Oops. I just wanted him to look over, but he wouldn't fucking look over. Dude, he's gonna have to play it. I'm gonna have to play that back for him. Oh shit, he's gonna catch me now. Dude, he was too in the zone. He couldn't figure out that I was giving him the fucking birds. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh! Dude, I can't believe that whole time he never looked over, not even once. That is not cool. Not cool, Greg. These guys actually must be driving fairly well, because I didn't catch up to them until like the fucking now. Oh, man. The whole time I was sitting there flipping you off and you never looked over. When I put you into the wall by accident, I was sitting there flipping you off. Dude, that was gold. I'm getting molested by my microphone. It's going in my mouth. I didn't put it low enough. You should let me come here with the dinosaur costume. You know how funny that'd be though, dude? Just seeing a giant, the head would fly back. I'd have to. Dude, look at that booster seat. That thing looks so comfy. This is slow as fuck right now. Alright, reverse track. Reverse track. Why is it so fucking slow? This feels very slow. That was awful. Not only is it going to keep the buggies out, it's going to make me go faster too. All for the aerodynamics. This is the most uncomfortable thing ever. But better lap times mean better night's sleep. I probably look like such a clown right now. I mean, not that it looks different otherwise, but... Yeah, this car feels much faster for some reason. Yeah, I think I was put on semi. This is way faster. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I think my last car was all fucked up. That thing was so slow. Or maybe it's because I tucked in my socks. I have no idea. Yeah, it's definitely because I tucked in my socks. This is way better. I'm gonna do this all the time now. Skirt. Is this a girl? I'm gonna feel bad. I think it is. Or maybe not, I have no idea. I'm never not untucking my socks.
Hello world, I am now commentating over this clip because my microphone got unplugged, so now I had to listen to everything else. But basically here, I was like, ouch Ollie, that really hurt. And then I kept going, trucking along. This is all on normal speed. I got started in the back because I went potty before the race started, so it's kind of late to the game there. But yeah, here I was probably thinking like how many strawberries you could possibly fit in like a normal 16-ounce water bottle if you crush them up. And then here I was like, dang, that wall kind of hurt, ouch. And then I did a little skid thing, Tokyo drift, but slowed down because I actually had traction. And then me and this kid, number 41, got in a little battle. Here I went for a gap that clearly didn't exist. And then I was like, yeah, that didn't exist. Just hit the wall, yep. Good times. I was probably like, ouch, that's a wall. And then I continued battling with 41, and I'm like, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. At some point, I will get this guy. Not gonna be here, but I will get him. Here, I'm probably thinking like, wow, I hate it how whatever fruit smoothie you make, you put a banana in it, and it's a banana smoothie. And then I was probably thinking about, you know, when, 7 minutes from now I have my history test, and yeah, I'm just chilling, going up the inside, get that nice drive, and he's like, you know what, I actually feel like hitting my brakes right now. And I'm like, dude, why would you hit your brakes in a race? That's dumb. Don't do that, especially in a supercharged kart. And I think this is where I get him, because I was just like, you know what, I'm tired of this shit. And then I went up the inside, and he actually had some will. He had to fight back. He was like, you know what, fuck you, I have a boost button, here I am, Codey. And then he was like, you know what, I'm gonna turn when clearly I can't turn yet, and then put my hand up in anger. And then I was like, you know what, I got a boost button too. And I said that, and I said I got a boost too, and I think he interpreted that as fuck you, because he had some words to say after that I heard, but I didn't actually understand what he said, you know. It was probably some angry retaliation, but it's alright. But yeah, I don't know what I'm even saying anymore.
I got into it with someone, I think they're mad. Yeah. Because he tried to cut me off, and like, you couldn't turn yet, I was right there. And then he got all mad at me.
Oh, yeah, so we got league speed going on now. And all the times that you're going to see now are kind of messed up, because I don't know where exactly the place puts their transponder receiver. So what my lap time says maybe is like a, say, 37.5. Realistically, my fastest time this lap, or this moto, was a 37.9, and that seems to be my average for, like, as fast as I can go. But the coder here is a little bit off. So, yeah. Goodbye.
Oh shit. Fuck. This is way better though. Ow. God, this is terrible. I am so bad. I am so fucked. I am 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 so fucked. I am fucked. I am fucked. I am fucked. I am so... God damn it. I don't know how they do that. It's so fast. Fuck. Oh, whoa. Oops. Oh, we are already going. Oh, whoa. Oh, I don't even think I adjusted my seat yet. Oh, I can't turn. Listen to that V8 scream! This is a good lap. This is a good lap so far. Precision. They call me the Lewis Hamilton. This isn't a bad lap either. I hope they don't slow me down before I pass the finish line, because that's gonna suck. Oh, that was a good lap too. God dang it, son of a seahorse. Huh?
That was definitely league speed.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No way.
100%.
No way.
Dude, those things are flying.
Dude, I swear that was not league speed.
No way. Look at the time.
That was normal. Alright, maybe it was league speed.
That was definitely.
Okay. Honestly, I thought that was normal.
37. Yeah, that was league speed.
37.9. I think I did better last time. Yeah, I got 918 last time.